Have you ever opened a Salesforce record and thought, why are these fields at the top? That's not random, that's controlled by something called compact layout. If you don't configure it properly, your users will see the wrong information in the highlight panel, in lookups, and even on mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create and assign a compact layout in Salesforce and how to choose the right fields. Let's fix your record page in under 5 minutes. So where my pointer is what we call the compact layout. This is a default compact layout that has been created from account object since it's a standard object. But let's head over to the enablement code custom object and review the compact layout. This is just a system default and it's automatically created by Salesforce once you have customized your object. So navigate to the back end and strictly edit the object which you want to create the compact layout on, and under this object manager we are going to be going to the compact layout options. When we get to the compact layout options, you see the system default compact layout, but let's review what the system default compact layout looks like. So we can see the label and the included field, which is just the enablement code name, but we don't want this. We want to customize it to have more fields on the highlight panel. Then you can click on new and then give it a name which is similar to what you are having in your org. So for this, I'm going to be calling it EC Compact Layout, and then I'll create the API name. So when you scroll down, you're going to find the available field on the left side and the selected field. So you're going to select the fields you want to be displayed on the highlight panel from here. So just click on a field and use the add button, or click on a field and use the remove button to remove any field that you do not want. Then on the right hand side, you will see the up, down, top and bottom button. So you can use that arrow to push it to any location you want any field to sit at. Now we are not done. We are going to do the compact layout assignment, which is assigning this compact layout to a particular to be the particular one we are going to be seeing on our object front end. Now we can see that the primary compact layout is the system default, but we are going to be selecting the new one that we've created and save on it, so we can go over to the front end and see what it looks like. Let's refresh this page and then see what we have done. So as I refresh this page, you will see that it has changed from the system default to the actual EC compact layout that we have just created.